Hi, we're students from the Science Academy.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Emily.
And this is our PBL project.
Our project is surface tension. The materials you need is a glass cup, water, pins, and a ruler.
The procedures are: 1, to gather all the materials. 2, fill the cup with the water to the rim. Once you are done filling up the cup, you start filling it with pins one by one.
Project is surface tension. Surface tension is the main part of our project because while we add pins into the cup, the water will not spill and it will act like a thin sheet over the rim.
Now we're going to talk about our ELA component. So for our ELA component, we chose a journal entry. So basically we had to note down what we did every week, and so we had a different task every week. So the first week basically we had to choose our topic, which we're presenting, which is surface tension. So then we ended up making our own Google site, and so we had to add like the SS component, basic principles of surface tension, and all that, and get it all approved by our team. Emily's going to talk about the historical connection.
Surface tension started with Agnes Poklos, a German chemist. She was a housewife and was doing experiments in her kitchen with soaps and oils. Agnes discovered a tin could fill with water, and when you place a movable strip on it, you could measure the difference of the surface tension and the water in the can. To measure surface tension, use the formula T equals F over L. The T in the formula stands for surface tension, the F stands for force, and the L stands for length. Thank you for watching.
We're students from the Science Academy. My name
Our main principle of our project is surface tension. Surface tension is a main part of our project because it acts.
Damn, it's right
You can think